This is the brand new Decked ST1 drawer system for 5th gen 4Runner. This is their beta unit. I've been testing for about 2 months now, and honestly, I could not be happier with this thing. It holds everything I need to, and I love it. I can't be more happy with it. Before I got it, everything I had in the back of here was just kind of rolling around, hearing everything clanking around, thinking there was something wrong with my vehicle. It just wasn't a good scenario. It was all over the place. I had to go fishing for stuff, digging under my seats. And this is a game changer. This is much better. Everything is there in one spot. It looks awesome. And for me, just keeping everything clean is also just as important as having everything prepared. You can see it fits in there perfectly. Probably the most easy install I've ever had on anything. Real easy open drawer is a little different from the trucks because they give you this metal surround. It's kind of like a cage for the top, or your basket, if you will, just to kind of keep anything you have up here from rolling around, rolling off. I have a bunch of stuff that I always keep in here. It's always rolling around. I'm always trying to find places to put everything. I was worried it wasn't all going to fit in here. And after having this for a few weeks and running it around, loading it up, I've been really impressed with how everything actually fits in there. And this deck system has this tray here, pocket, I guess, right in the front of the drawer, which makes it really nice to have all this emergency stuff readily accessible. As soon as you open the drawer, you don't have to dig around for it or anything. So I have my jumper cables, I have my lug wrench, my bottle jack in here with some ratchet straps and tie downs, etc. And then over here on this side, the other most important part that you want readily accessible is all your recovery gear. So again, you just pull the drawer out. Everything is right there where you need it. I have my soft shackles, strap, I have a tree saver, an extra hitch pin, just in case you lose one out on the trail. My winch line damper right on top, so I don't forget to use it in a recovery scenario. And this is your wide open drawer area. The most important thing I like to have with me is my adventure pack. As soon as I open my drawer, throw it on, and then when you're done, just put it right back in place. It's got its own little spot, just fits right back in there. So I have all my I cut off axe handles for firewood, so whenever I set up my fire pit, break out some axe handles, fire pit, emergency siphon if you ever run out of gas, electronics, lights, headlamps, power charging, just a tool bag, socket set. The drawer's long enough to keep my axe and machete. Lastly is my food bag, and for the most part, that is what is in my deck system for now. For anything I want to put up here, it keeps it stable. And I also like that this is metal, because if there's anything else you want to mount, like for me, I have my fire extinguisher, which is another really important piece of equipment to have at all times. And this was another one of those things that was just rolling around in my back seat. I was able to finally find a solid place to mount the fire extinguisher, and I feel much better having that ready to go at arm's reach anytime I need it. And that's how I use my deck system. So when we got this unit from Decked, it came nicely boxed, clear instructions, all the parts were in there. Knowing Decked and their truck units being great drawer systems for trucks, everybody was wondering when they were going to start making these drawer systems for SUVs and if they were ever going to do it. They're known for being very, very sturdy. Commercial guys use them for contract work. Pretty much anything that you have to put inside of a system like this and keep organized, there's a use for this deck system. We're overall very, very pleased with it. I myself am very happy with it. The install for this thing, super easy, super simple, very fast. Probably the easiest thing I've ever put together and installed in the vehicle. Comes with all the instructions that you need, a little bit of hardware. They have spacer blocks on each corner that you have to put on before you put this in, so it clears your side panels. But this thing couldn't have gone in easier. Did need a second person just to help, just so you can get things in and situated without hurting yourself. So I definitely recommend having a buddy. They have turnbuckles on all 4 corners. You want to make sure that these are tightened down, snugged up with a wrench instead of just hand tightened, so that they don't loosen up on you while you're driving and that deck unit won't shift around. So definitely recommend that. So overall thoughts on this deck unit is I'm very impressed with it. I think anybody that gets one of these things is going to love it. All right, so how does this deck unit fit into the overland world? Anybody that has things to pack up and keep organized, this is going to be great for you. Nice quick access to all your gear, and you don't have to worry about rummaging around in the rest of your car to get it. The drawer pulls out, everything's there for you, ready to go. So the other cool thing about this is, this is all made of very sturdy plastic material and easy to clean. So if you do spill stuff on it, you're not going to have to worry about potentially wood swelling up. Just the ease of wiping things off. You're out in the woods, cooking, you're cleaning, things happen. So I like that aspect of this for keeping nice and clean and neat. There are other drawer systems out there, but depending on what your needs are, you might not need something that has a sleeping platform. So this unit, it's a great setup for anybody that wants to keep your stuff organized. Having this thing for a few months now and getting to test it, I couldn't be happier with it. Like I said, it holds everything that I want it to and keeps everything nice and organized. It allows you customization, and it's great. We know about the deck unit for the 4Runner, 5th gen 4Runner, and the newer Bronco that just came out not too long ago. Other than that, we don't really know what else Decked is going to cover with these SUV drawer systems, but leave us a comment. Let us know what vehicle you'd like to see them do next.